Welcome to our Ledger Link accounting software tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing sales invoices. If you've already set up your Ledger Link with accounts, taxes, sales items, and customers, creating a sales invoice is a breeze. If not, you can follow the link in the video description below for a tutorial on how to do this. To create a sales invoice, navigate to Sales from the navigation bar, then click on Sales Invoices. Here, you'll click on the green plus button in the top left corner to open the sales invoice form. From there, you select the customer to whom you're making a sale. Add the date, and provide any further details required. Next is the Items section, where you are required to add the items being sold. Add a tax, and enter the quantity. Below the Items section is the Reference section. Here you can write notes such as invoice terms and upload an attachment. Once done, click Save, and then Submit. The invoice is now in a submitted state, signifying that the sales transaction has been recorded. If you need to edit an invoice item, click on the Edit button on the item row. Then on the right section, click on the particular item. This allows you to change the item description, check the tax amount, and more. You can also directly set the taxable amount, and Ledger Link will automatically calculate the rate of the item. After submitting a sales invoice, you'll need to record a payment against it. To do this, click on the Create menu button and select the Payment option. This will open a quick edit form with the outstanding amount auto-filled. Here, you can fill in the required details. After you are done, click Save. Ledger Link will then make the necessary ledger entries and update the outstanding amount on the invoice form. As you can see, the status of this invoice has been updated to Pay. If you want to streamline the sales invoice to payment workflow, you can use auto payments. From the navigation bar, click on Setup, navigate to Settings, then click on Defaults. Here, you can set the default accounts for sales payments. Below Auto Payments, select a sales payment account. Once set, a payment entry will automatically be created whenever you submit a sales invoice. Finally, to print the sales invoice, navigate to Sales Invoices by clicking on Sales from the navigation bar, then click on the invoice you want to print. On the top of the workspace, click on the Print icon. This opens the Print view, where you can customize the invoice to match your brand. After customizing, click Save as PDF to save the sales invoice. You can then print it out using your printer's software. That's all for today's tutorial on sales invoices. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Ledger Link.